Hello, welcome to our channel. This is completely digital marketing videos we can learn from zero to hero. So first of all, clearly understand each and every concept. In my videos, I'm everything repeating two times. Why? Because you are a beginner or expert. A lot of people are doing some mistakes in this here. So now I'm discuss about one topic called YouTube copyright issues. So before uploading or before we have to checking for copyright issues, mainly people are facing issue about the music. So that is regarding, I'm selecting one of the website here. In this, I maintain one YouTube channel. Before publish any video, the video copyright or not, how to checking this? So I just check the video. Where is the video will be here? The video we can copy and just drag the video. After video dragging, the posting going on here. So don't go with any option. Just you can click for the close option. So the video is uploading will be here. Any video uploading time, it is the copyright or not. First of all, check it in your draft mode. After draft mode, the publish is done. You can go for refresh it. After refresh, they will intimate it, here is the it copyright or not. So if it's copyright, how to visible here? That is called go to filter, checking for copyright. Here, before drafting, they can all visible will be here. This is called copyright video. So easily will be find out. This is called copyright video. So what is a copyright? You can check for C details, music operator. What is the copyright will be here? Click this option and replace the song. So this is the main issue for the copyright one. We can trim out the segment or replace song will be here by using this is the free music will be available. That is called go to see details and replace the song or mute song, trim out the segment. That will be. But we can changing for replace song is enough to this remove for the copyright problem. So after this one, go for video, this uploading video, anything copyright strike, no copyright strike. So if this easily identified, this video will be no copyright strike option. So this is the method we can follow before publishing video. It is copyright or not. First of all, check after the start you will publish the video on YouTube channel. This is the main important each and every YouTubers where you can drag the problem on your copyright issues that fix it and publish the video. This is an important question on your particular YouTube channel. After that, click for here and start for edit draft. Whatever those will be here, just we can call for in this and start your next and start your option. So 60 minutes. So what are the weekend waiting? Copy this. Simple. Add your playlist option. Add your next. No copyright font. Here click for unlisted. After some time, the video will be publishing with the public with set as a premium option. This will be more getting for views as go for live option. So this is a method you can follow it and increase the views on your YouTube channel option. So if any further question, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.